Hi everybody, Kevin Cannon here, your Winter Springs Commissioner in District 2. It's Friday the 19th of October. Absentee ballots arrived earlier this week and early voting begins next week. And there were 2 October surprises that were sent out, and many of you may have received them in the mail. These would be attack mailers, if you will. 2 of them attacking me. Also, one of them attacked Ted Johnson, Tiana Hale, and Ken Spaltoff. In the attack mailer that was sent out today, I was accused basically of being a criminal. They put a mugshot up of me and they put up a police report. And let's talk about that because you have a right to know about this. Almost 12 years ago, while I was going through a divorce, my ex-wife accused me of domestic violence. We had a hearing and an evidentiary hearing in that in front of a circuit judge. He heard testimony from not only myself, but even my wife's mother and other eyewitnesses. And the judge concluded that there was no basis in fact for the claims that were being made against me. And it was dismissed. And the state attorney's office dismissed the charges because it never happened. There was no basis for it. Now, 4 years ago when I ran for this very seat, the City Commission, then Commissioner Rick Brown, my opponent, tried the same sleazy tactics, trying to dig up my prior 1 arrest that was all dismissed. And at that time, in September of 2014, I immediately got certified copies of the orders, walked right down to the city clerk and put them on file with the city clerk, and they've been on file since September of 2014. I hand-delivered extra copies to the chief of police as well. Folks, there is nothing in my background whatsoever that should cause you any concern. I've never been convicted of anything. That is the only time I had a false accusation and arrest levied against me. I've been a member of the Florida Bar for over 30 years. I've had a Florida pharmacy license and a Texas license for 35 years. I would not have these licenses here, folks, if there was anything in my background that should cause you concern. But better than that, 6 or 7 years ago, as a volunteer doing amateur radio emergency communication, I was vetted and underwent fingerprinting by the chief of police, and I was given this photo ID and a key fob that allows me 24/7 access into the police department. Anytime I need to go in there, unescorted. There is nothing in my background that should cause you any concern. What you see on the screen right now is a flow chart. We're going to work from the bottom up. We're going to work from the attack mailers backwards. If you look on those attack mailers, they were mailed by Seminole First PC. That's a political committee. This is one of those organizations, they set up these shadow organizations with these innocuous names that money gets put into to do attacks during campaigns. 3 sources of money went into that Seminole First PC. Jesse Phillips, Liberty Campaign Solutions, his company, and Michael D. Jones and Associates, a law firm. Michael D. Jones and Associates law firm is the lawyers that represent Beazer Homes. You'll remember back in August, Beazer Homes got a special exception for 4-story multifamily in the town center. Jesse Phillips is employed as the political director of Gravis Marketing. In fact, Gravis calls him their veteran political operative. And Liberty Campaign Solutions is a company that Mr. Phillips set up and which he owns. Gravis Marketing has been doing work during this election cycle for my opponent's campaign, for the Lacey campaign, for the Greenberg campaign, and the Hayes campaign. Now I want to ask you, the voters of Winter Springs, to be a well-educated voter. When you open your mailboxes and get these garbage, attack mailers, I want you to look at them, see the person that they're attacking and trying to shred, and vote for the person that they're trying to shred. Because the beneficiaries of this garbage is going to be the opposite candidate. That's who's going to benefit from this garbage. And don't reward this type of behavior. Vote against somebody that would stand to benefit from this type of ugliness. If you go to my website, cannon2018.com, I have posted up the cease and desist letter with the court orders clearing me of any wrongdoing. Okay? They're on the website. They were put with the city clerk over 4 years ago. Also, please go to this website, wheredotheygetthemoney.com. And if you look there, you'll see a tab for Seminole First PC, and you'll see the paper trail that this flowchart was created from. Be a well-educated voter. Don't buy this garbage that they're selling. Thank you for living in Winter Springs, the most beautiful city in Central Florida, and please be a responsible voter when you cast your ballot. Have a great day.